Have you ever opened a client's file and instantly felt your stomach drop? Duplicate transactions, unreconciled accounts, random journal entries, chaos everywhere. If this sounds familiar, you've probably been called in for what is known as a cleanup project. So what exactly is a cleanup project? Imagine you're about to embark on an adventure, a journey through your client's finances. Before you start, you need to survey the landscape. The client explains that they tried using QuickBooks Online at the beginning of the year, got overwhelmed and gave up. You gather your supplies, bank and credit card statements, loan details, and last year's tax return. These are your maps and clues, the puzzle pieces that will help you understand where things went wrong. Then you actually start digging in and reality hits. This project feels huge. It's like sitting down for a burger eating challenge and you don't even know where to take the first bite. But remember, as with anything in life, you take it one bite, or in this case, one task at a time. Start by figuring out where you are. You've got your source documents ready, and you're starting from January 1st of this year. Pick one account to begin with, usually the business checking account. Focus on getting that account clean before moving on. Don't try to fix everything at once. Progress happens one step at a time. As you move through the cleanup project, questions will come up. How do I fix this? Where should this transaction go? That's completely normal. When that happens, use your resources, a Facebook group, a YouTube tutorial, Google, or even ChatGPT. The beauty of working from your home office is that you have the time and flexibility to research and learn. Your first cleanup project might feel overwhelming. I know mine did. But every challenge like this strengthens your knowledge and builds your confidence. Before long, you'll start recognizing patterns, anticipating problems, and feeling proud of how far you've come. You're not just cleaning up data, you're restoring financial clarity for your client. After what's probably been weeks of work, you finally get there. The accounts are balanced, the reports make sense, and you can take a deep breath. It's a valiant and dedicated effort. Well done. And the best part? You're now better prepared for the next cleanup project that comes your way. What's the biggest cleanup challenge you faced? Let me know in the comments. Or if you need your books cleaned up, schedule a free consultation call with us. The link is in the description below.